Hi friends, this is Ashwin, co-founder and CEO of CustomFit.Ai. Today, let me take you through one of the A/B testing thing, that's a discount level A/B testing. How we can do a Shopify level discount A/B testing, okay, using CustomFit.Ai. Right? It's very simple. Very straightforward. It will take less than 2 minutes to get started, and also comes with a lot of feature functionalities for you to go and configure and see what works, what not. Right? So yeah, let's go and do a quick dip. So first of all, okay, integration is very simple. So all you need to do is just go and check the custom fit app in the Shopify store. So when you click on that thing, it will take you to the custom fit app. All you need to do is just go and install the custom fit app from here onto your Shopify store, right? That's the thing about the integration, right? It's a one-click thing. Okay. Now let's go and quickly create one experiment. Okay, once you install the app and you click on the app, it will take you to the dashboard. So let's go and create one experience. Okay, for example, I'm creating the experience discount AB. Okay, experience is nothing but here we are trying to tell that, look, I want to personalize the AB test these pages for this segment of audience, right? We see, in this discount level thing, I suggest you select all the pages, okay, and click on add. Okay, now let's go and create the variation we call behavior. For example, say that I'm naming it as a um, discount A or something. Okay, it's just a naming thing. You can name whatever you want. Okay, now let me click on visual editor. The moment you open the visual editor, right, what happens is inside that editor you find the options to select and set the various discounting thing. Right, let me take you through that functionality once this gets loaded. Once this editor loads, right, if you go to the the section, you will find there a bunch of the features and functionalities what CustomFit is providing today, right? Today we will be discussing about the discount level A/B testing, right? You see, when you select the discount level A/B test, right, there are two modes, okay, in which it operates. One thing is a discount code mode, and second thing is automatic discount mode. Okay. In discount code mode, so you can go and create a discount code on your Shopify dashboard, and you can directly apply the discount code automatically for those section of audience or those segment of audience, or for the percentage of audience, okay, whom you want to showcase this thing, right? Now, thing is, you need to make this discount code as a manual discount code at the Shopify side, and that you can go and apply it out, where CustomFit will do the job of automatic applying of the discount code, right? This is one of the way, right? Assume that it's not actually you want to do come up with an automatic discount code. That's where, okay, you also find the automatic discount code functionality. Okay, here you can go and apply the discount code based on the percentage basis or the fixed amount thing. For example, say that, okay, I want to do percentage basis thing. Like, for example, say I want to give 50% discounting. Okay, you can also give a specific messaging, let's say special offer. Okay, and if you see, you also provides you option to go and say whether this discount you want to apply for all the products or a specific product thing, right? So I can go to a specific product. Let's say, for example, let's pick some product. Let's say I want on this specific product. Okay, let me just copy that URL and go back and apply that URL, right? Now, if you see, it also shows me, okay, whether you want for all the variants or specific variant thing, right? Now, let's say I want for all the variants, okay. And also you can add multiple products, or even you can add the CSV file uploading also, okay, wherein you all the records for that CSV file, it will be auto applied, right? So that is the way you will find all the discounting thing with respect to various products and all, what you can go and upload, and one shot you can apply for all those products. Okay, and also you can add multiple products and all, right? So yeah, for this demo, let me just select the single product. Let me click on save changes, right? That is the thing. Let me just go and finalize and exit from here, right? What we did, we created an experiment, added all pages, opened, created a behavior, and inside the behavior we went and selected the automatic discount code applying thing, right? Let it come back to the dashboard. Now let me show you the rollout portion. Okay, in the rollout portion, you can go and say, for example, I want to do a percentage rollout, wherein, let's say, I want to say, for example, when I say 100% of my audience, let's see the discount means for everyone it will auto apply the discount thing, right? Or say 50% audience, you want to show them the control one, we call default, or 50% audience, okay, you want to showcase this variation, right? So you can go and do the way you want. Like, for example, I want to do only consider 20% of my traffic in my test experiment. Okay, the rest, okay, I don't want to consider in this experiment, right? You have that flexibility for the entire traffic. Assume that not for the entire traffic, but for a specific segment of audience, right? can be achieved using the audience segmentation. You can add the rules who are matching those conditions only for those visitors that variation will be applied or showcased, right? For example, it can be based on your campaign parameters, new versus repeat visitor, devices, technology, geography, and the list goes deeper, right? So for that sake of discussion, let me pick up the UTM campaign. If the UTM campaign is one of something, I'm writing it out, I can add multiple conditions. Now whoever matches condition, I can go and say which variation I want to show them, whether I show the default variation or discount a variation, or I can also do a percentage rollout where I can split the traffic under that given segment of audience and then the AB multivariant thing, right? You can achieve this thing. Now for this demo, let me just again delete this thing and add the default only. Okay, let's say I want to do 50-50 test. Let me just save these changes. And even our next step is to go and add the goals. And before adding the goals, you can even go and check if you want to check the preview, you can directly click the preview link. And when you go and execute that preview link, you should see that discount code is getting applied for that segment of audience, right? Just to ensure that if it's working fine or not, right? You can check that preview thing. But let me just go and explain you the goals section of the thing. Okay. Now, for example, I can go and add various goals. Whenever you're running any experiment, right, you have to test it against bunch of the goals. It can be your add to cart, it can be your revenue, right? With the custom feed, you can create the entire funnel. Okay, your goal funnel, you can start analyzing it out. For example, I want to add ATC as my goal. Okay, let me select Shopify. Let me select product added to cart, and here I can go and say how many unique visitors purchased as my goal, and I did add to cart as my goal, or how many times this item been added into the cart. Okay, the total visitors, right? That one I can add the goal, right? For this demo, let me just add unique visitors. Okay, let me add one more goal, say revenue goal, right? So right, let me go and select Shopify, select event as checkout completed. And also, if you want to add any specific rules, let's say I want to filter revenue only for a given specific product, right? So if it's on the product ID is one of like 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? Only this product ID only I want to consider, or I want to consider set the product IDs, right? That also I can give it out, right? For this demo, let me keep it very simple. Let me just do for our entire product, right? If you see, I can go and say the goal like how many people purchase the product, or how many time this product been purchased, or I can set the revenue thing. I want to do sum of product price that gives me the revenue generated, right? Like this, you can add the entire funnel, like add to cart, checkout initiated, okay, and then the revenue thing, right? Yeah, so and along with that, you can also add, it also comes with the integration with the other third-party systems like Google Analytics, Hotjar, Microsoft Clarity, Mixpanel, Amplitude, Heap, a lot of them. These are all native integrations. One-click setup, right? So in case if you are seeing your current analytics data in any of these systems, CustomFit can forward the data to those systems, and also onto the Shopify dashboard. Also, you can see it out where CustomFit has the functionality to forward the experience attribution to the Shopify, wherein you can directly segregate the orders based on the experience that influence those orders on the Shopify dashboard, right? Anyways, let me just go back to the experiment. Let's power this thing on and check it out, right? Let me just power it on. The moment I power it on, the experience goes live. If I power it off, experience goes off. Okay, let's do a quick check. Since actually we did 50-50 thing, right? Let's, for this sake of discussion demo, I will do the 100% so that one shot I will fall in that experiment, right? Okay, perfect. So let's go and do the check. She and her. Okay. Yeah, let's go and do a check. If you remember, okay, we changed the product value of this particular thing, right? Uh, okay, now let's go on to the add to cart on this thing. Okay, let me go view add to cart. If you see, automatically the discount been applied, And if you see the one thing what we gave was special offer, right? That's how it's working. Okay, and I click on checkout. Also, if you see, the special offer code is applied over here, right? So yeah, that's how you can do the AB or automatic applying of the discount code using custom fit, right? And you can also see all the goals and all those things. Okay, for example, let me go to the goals pack. It's saying that, like, 1% visited and 1% clicked on add to cart. That's the reason the conversion is this thing, right? So yeah, no, this is how simply you can go and create different discount codes, or you can showcase different or autoplay the different codes for given segment of audience, or you can split the track and do all this A/B multivariate testing with respect to the discount thing, right? Feel free to connect to the team. They can take you through the platform. They can provide you a 1:1 personalized demo of the functionality. And also we provide 14-day engaged pilot for free. You can use the platform and see how the thing works. And always team will be there to support you guys. Thank you.